Going to the eighth question, in a school, 46 students of 9th standard were told to measure the lengths of their pencils in their compass boxes in centimeters. The data collected was as follows. So there were 46 students and the lengths of their pencils were here. So there are 46 numbers which are given here. They have asked us to take exclusive classes like this and prepare a grouped frequency distribution table. Now 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Okay, so we'll continue then 15 to 20, 20 to 25, like that. Okay, but we have to see which is the biggest number over here. Now we are seeing 16 here, and we'll look further whether there is any other number greater than 16. Right, we don't have any other number greater than 16. So what we do is we have to just take 4 classes, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and the last class will be 15 to 20. So when I have here, I will write class tally marks frequency. Okay, now here I will write the classes 0 to 5. Okay, then I have 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and the last class 15 to 20. Now let us put the tally marks according to the data given. First we have 16, then 15. Okay, when we write 15, we will write it in this class only because we have to consider the lower class limit. So 15 is written here. Then 7, 4.5, 8.5, 5.5, 5, 6.5, 6, 10, again in the one with the lower class limit, 12, 13, 4.5, 4.9, 16, 11, 9.2, 7.3, 11.4, 12.7, 13.9, 16, 5.5, 9.9, 8.4, 11.4, 13.1, 15, that will be here, 15 is the lower limit here, 4.8, 10, P here, then 7.5, 8.5, 6.5, 7.2, 4.5, 5.7, 16, 5.7, 6.9, 8.9, 9.2, 10.2, 12.3, 13.7, 14.5 and 10. Okay, now let us complete this table. Here we have 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have 20. 5, 10, 15, that is here. 5 plus 1 is 6. So now we get the total here. N is equal to, we add 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15. It is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. Let us see whether they had given us 46 as the number. See, 46 students of 9th standard were considered. Therefore, this table is right. We go to the 9th question. In a village, the milk in liters was collected from 50 milkmen at a collection center as given below. So, these are all the amount of milk in liters which was collected from the milkmen. By taking suitable classes, prepare grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, so they have given by taking suitable classes. So, therefore, we take classes like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, that way. Okay, so we take here now class tally marks and frequency. Now, classes we said we start from 0 to 10, and since the highest number even goes up to 92, so we'll 0 to 10, 10 to 20, right up to 90 to 100. So we start here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Now we start putting the tally marks according to what is given. Start with the first one, 27, 75, 5, 99, 70, 12, 15, 20, 30, 35, 45, 80, 77, 90, 92, 72, 4, 33, 22, 15, 20, 28, 29, 14, 16, 20, 72, 81, 85, 10, 16, 9, 25, 23, 26, 46, 55, 56, 66, 67, 51, 57, 44, 43, 6, 65, 42, 36, 7, 35. Okay, now let us write the frequency here. First one is 5. Next is 5 plus 2, that is 7. Next we have 5 plus 5, that is 10. Then we have here 5. Okay, again we have 5. Then we have 4. Then we have 3. Then we have 5. Then we have 3. and last again 3. So now we have to find out the total. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 10 here is 32. 32 plus 4, 36 plus 3, 39. 39 plus 5, 44. 44 plus 6 is 50. So we were talking here about 50 milkmen, right? 50 milkmen, and that is why we got the total n equal to 50. Therefore, this table what we have done is right. 10th question, 38 people donated to an organization working for disabled persons. The amount in rupees were as follows. This is the amount whom 38 people have donated to some organization. So this is the amounts they have donated. By taking classes 100 to 149, 150 to 199, 200 to 249, etc., prepare a grouped frequency distribution table. Now when we go through the amounts, we see there is an amount of 500 and see whether there is any other amount above that. Okay, so we have up to 500. Therefore, when we are going 100, 150, 200, we will go up till 500 that class. Okay, so first let us write the names of the columns. Class, tally marks, and frequency. First class given is 100 to 149. Next class 150 to 199. So the next class will be 200 to 249. Next will be 250 to 299. Next will be 300 to 349. We go further. I said we have to go right up till 500 class. So this will be 350 to 399. Next is 400 to 449 and 450 to 499, and the last class is 500 to 549. Now let us put the tally marks coming from first one is 100, 101, then 500, 401, 201, 301, 160, 210, 125, 175, 190, 450, 151, 101, 351, 251, 451, 151, 260, 360, 410, 150, 125, 161, 195, 351, 170, 225, 260, 290, 310, 360, 425, 420, 100, 105, 170, 250 and 100. Okay, so once this is completed, now we write the frequency. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Then 5 plus 5, that is 10. Here we have 3. Here we have 5. Here we have 2. Here we have 4. Here again 4. Then 2. And then 1. So now let us add this. N is equal to 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 26, 27. 27 plus 10 is 37. 37 plus 1 is 38. So let us see whether it is 38 here. 38 people donated. So n equal to 38 is right. Right? Okay. Now we also have one more part of the question. Let us see what it is. What is the question? From the table, find the number of people who donated rupees 350 or more. Look at the table. Who donated rupees 350. 350 will be included here or more than that. So from here onwards we have to add all. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 350 is at 4. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore, the number of persons donating rupees 350 or more is 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So, we have 11 people who donated rupees 350 or more.